can encompass a lot. With companion care, Etairos sends out a caregiver for you that can help you with organizing your day, right? So making your appointments, whether that's for a doctor's office, whether that's for a hair appointment or a nail appointment. Or it could be that you want someone to hang out with at the movies or play mahjong with, or cards, or bingo, or just someone to converse and to talk with. You may need a little help with preparing a meal. A companion can do that, or help folding some clothes or doing some laundry. So that's part of what companionship is and companion care.